Document reassembly. After scanning, documents need to be restored to their original order. Careful organization is key. Welcome to the FCTechnikon module on document reassembly. This video will guide you through the critical process of reassembling documents, post-digitisation. Discover the importance of reassembling documents correctly. This process is vital for maintaining the integrity and authenticity of civic records. We'll cover the required tools and the setup needed for an efficient reassembly workspace. Learn about the step-by-step workflow of reassembling a document batch, from removing separator pages to stapling and grouping pages. Every step is crucial. We will address the challenges you might face, like handling fragile documents and ensuring the correct order and orientation of pages. Finally, we'll delve into quality management. Understand the importance of post-reassembly checks to ensure completedness and accuracy of the reassembled documents. Join us in mastering the art of document reassembly, a key component in preserving historical records for future access.